Hey, Danny here, and welcome to my vlog. And this is kind of under H2O. It's all about the water. It's also part of my health vlog, and it's also an unboxing. Well, for the past 6 months, I got off the soda kick. I got off the Monster, and I got off Mountain Dew, and I got off super high sugar drinks, and I went to Gatorade. So Gatorade's got all kinds of flavors now. Got a cool blue. They've got the Glacier Freeze. Now I'm not drinking the G2. The G2's got sucralose in it. I kind of refuse to drink any artificial sugars. I know we're talking, I'm going back to natural sugars. So here was a fruit punch, and I'm buying usually 8 of these for about $4. And I got thinking about, well, shoot, don't they make Gatorade in powder? And then I can take a little container with me when I go to work or whatever, and I can add it to my water. Well, just this week, I've now fired up my Tyant water purifying system. So I decide, well, I'm going to go ahead, now that I've got that up, I'm just going to go ahead and make my own. Why should I pay for water when I have a purifying machine, alkaline system, that now I can add alkaline to whatever I want, and as well as, purify my water at the same time. So I says, well, now I got to see if I can find the Gatorade in the powder. Well, lo and behold, there it is. And this is the Glacier Freeze. There it is. And this is the Glacier Freeze. So we're gonna try them and see what happens. Now, what I have right now is purified H2O, which comes out of my Tyant ACE 11 system. So we're gonna do the I'm gonna do the unboxing here. I'm gonna make a mess in my office. Smells pretty good too. Alright. Now, it says the mixture here. Mixing for powders. Quarter scoop makes 12 ounces. Half a scoop makes 32 ounces. And 2 scoops make a half gallon. 4 scoops make a gallon. So you're getting, it says that out of this container here of 12, an average of 12 fluid ounces, I should get 63 servings. And I was figuring that out on a calculator. Where my calculator now? Oh, come on. Calculator. There we go. Okay. So if you get about 63 servings, 63 servings times 12 ounces, that's 756 ounces. And how many gallons is that? Or divided by 16 fluid ounces. Let's go with that. 16 divided by 16. You're getting, that's going into it 47 times. So these are 16 ounce bottles, and you get 8 of them for $4. So 8, 64. 16, yeah. 16 times 8, that's 128. This is a gallon. Okay, so if we're saying that a gallon is 128 ounces, and you're dividing that by 16, that comes out to 8, as we figured. Now, if it says it makes 6 gallons, and I paid $10 for it, vice $5 for 8, according to my calculations, I'm getting 40 of these. Actually, I might as well just say I'm getting 48 of these for $10, vice 8 for $5. So there's no, no comprehension there. Or, what do you want to? But they have frost, and they also now have orange. So hopefully they'll increase their variety in the powders. So here's the scoop. I don't know how much the scoop holds. I guess I gotta find out. How many scoops? Okay, so we're talking your, I don't know what a quarter of a scoop is. That's not telling you. But, let's see. 1 scoop is 32 ounces. So, these bottles are 16 ounces. So I need half a scoop. I got a wide mouth, but I don't think I'm going to get that in there. Where's, here, I've got a scoopy here. So let's do this. Let's get a half a scoop, or proximity of. Okay, we'll go with that. See how blue this turns. It'll be cool, huh? Let's put it down here. Woo. Okay. Put that back in there. Cover back on. Now these are, as you can see, I'll put some more in. But when you get these, these will fill right to the freaking top. So that's right to the top, and then you pull it out. So I'll add a little bit more in here and find out how much. Now, I don't know how purified their water is that they use, but the water I used in this here is purified to 0.002. So that's purified water. That's the water that you use for formula. Being that purified, that's what you use in a kidney dialysis machine. Is they do it down to that. So let's see. I'm waiting for the water. Clear up. Very darn close, huh? Sweet. I'm gonna add a little more. I'll add a little more water to it. I'll find out it's sweet, and I can test the difference between the two. But there we go. I have changed from the bottled G to my own bottled G. Okay, the tie-in ACE water system has 4 alkaline settings. 1, 2, 3, 4. And it has one H2O setting, which keeps you right around 7 pH. 7 pH. And then it also has alkaline or acidic settings. You've got 3, depending on what you want to do with it. These are what you'd use for purifying and cleaning stuff. Then you have turbo, which is really heavy duty. You've got
turbo mode.
You want to drink that. It's definitely for cleaning.
Water supply is suspended.
So there you go. And there's an example of the orange. An example of the orange G. And currently I use a alkaline 2 setting. It's just where I like it. You can go all the way to 4. You can drink 4 if you want. Depends on what you prefer. You should let your body get used to it. Just don't drink. Just don't go to alkaline 4. You need about 2 weeks of drinking those different settings. So there you go. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, definitely share. Look in the link down below in the description and take a look at the Tyant water systems for yourself. You've got on counter, which is this one here, and then you've got under counter as well as portable. This one can basically be considered a portable system. Alright, there you go. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, definitely share, and look in the description down below and check out the ACE 11 Tyant Turbo Water System. Check out my blog on H2O. It's all about the water. There's all kinds of videos in there on the use of the 11 and what can be used for the different types of water to go nowadays. So you want purified water, you want to add something to your water, which is what I'm doing now. And this thing's pretty mixed up, isn't it? Let's try that. Doesn't taste too bad. Might add a little bit more to make it sweeter. Basically, I got to add just a little more water. So maybe just minute it off a little bit for my measurement. But all right, thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, definitely share. You'll catch me on the next H2O. It's all about the water. All right, awesome. Can't tell the difference.